What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to AC Bass. So a couple days ago I received a box at my front door from shopcarls.com. It contained pretty much 3 items. It contained a baby bull shad, a Terminator swim bait, and also the month of November's mystery tackle box, which is what today's video is all about. We're gonna be going over everything that came in November's mystery tackle box for largemouth bass, and just talk about techniques, how to throw them, where to throw them, and also how to rig them pretty much. So that's what today's video is going to be about. Again, I'm in my house today. I'm in a different setting than I was in last video because the lighting in this room is it's pretty good. But with that said, we're going to be opening up that box right there. So let's just jump into it. I'm gonna go grab my tripod real fast because I'm alone today. So it's just me and you guys today. It's just me and you guys. So like I said, I'm gonna go grab my tripod. We're gonna get this video started. You guys, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. All right, I'll be right back. So guys, before we dive any deeper in this video, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to AC Bass and has joined the AC Bass Fishing family. If you guys haven't subscribed, click that red button right below this video. It ain't gonna cost anything. It's just gonna help me out with this channel and growing this channel and just making videos for you guys. Trying to make you guys happy. And also leave a comment below this video if you guys enjoyed this type of video. I'm really trying to make this channel tailored to you guys so that you guys enjoy coming to my channel to watch these videos, watch me fish, and also review boxes like the mystery tackle box. The next box that I really want to review is the Guggen Squad Mondo kit, which is what I'm hoping to get my hands on very soon. But with that said, guys, help me out here, and also I want to make you guys happy and make you guys enjoy watching these videos. So let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so we got the tripod set up, and like I said, this video is all going to be about shopcarls.com and the stuff that you can get there, and also this month's mystery tackle box. So let's just dive right in. I haven't opened this box up yet. I have no idea. Well, I have somewhat of an idea of what's in the mystery tackle box for this month, just because my buddy Skyler, that you guys have all seen before on this channel, his mystery tackle box came in before mine. I got a sneak peek of it, but I really didn't get an in-depth view of what's in this month's mystery tackle box. I also have the GoPro set up just so you guys can see the baits coming right out of the box, and you guys can get a real up-close look at these baits. So let's get this box cracked open. So like I said in previous videos, Shop Carls is probably my favorite place to buy lures from online. I've shopped at Tackle Warehouse, I've used Academy, but Shop Carls is definitely my favorite place to do it. Just because they make it super easy, it's super efficient, and pretty much everything that I use and need is on this website. So let's get rid of this. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the mystery tackle box first, and then we'll jump into the other 2 items that I purchased from Shop Carls. Alright, so jumping right into the mystery tackle box. So as I've talked about before, the first thing that you will see in your box is the list of items that you got and how much you saved with the exact price of each lure. So with this one, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 baits, and one of them actually being $11.99. So that right there is half the cost of the box pretty much. You also get the Dibbles tricks and tips, your sticker like I've said before, and this one, which I haven't gotten before, but it is in this box, is the holiday catalog guide. So it just has a bunch of items that you can purchase as holiday gifts. You know, they got the Guggen line right here with the banger, the clutch, and the hound, and also their filthy frog, which I have yet to throw. I really want to get that. They also have some tips for fishing gifts. They just have a bunch of stuff in here, a bunch of stuff that you can order, which this right here I'm probably most likely going to order, which is the ugly Fishmas long sleeve shirt. But yeah, I thought this was really neat that they kind of threw this in here, just an idea for some gifts to buy. But this holiday catalog was a great addition to this month's mystery tackle box. It's just another way of them stepping outside the box and just trying to help you out as much as possible. So let's jump into the lures. So I know that's probably what you guys have been waiting for this entire time. So let's jump right in. So the first lure that we're going to look at is the bubonic Bugs Squarebill by Ketchco. And this thing looks absolutely sick. It is a crawfish pattern. So this is actually a crawfish pattern. It is a it's a half, it is a half-ounce crankbait. It's actually a squarebill, excuse me. It is a half-ounce squarebill in a crawfish pattern. Let me see if I can get this tape cut off. I'm gonna cut the tape off this box and open it up. I think the packaging is outstanding for a squarebill, you know, because you never, this is probably one of the best packaging. I mean, you can't go wrong with this packaging right here. It's a rattling squarebill, like I said, in the crawfish pattern. Oh my goodness, this would be money. This would be absolute money to throw right now. Like, I can't even imagine throwing this. So hopefully when I go fishing this weekend, I actually might go fishing today. So if I go fishing today, this is definitely gonna be something I'm gonna be throwing. Just to throw one of the moving baits. Just add another moving bait to the arsenal. In Maryland right now, we're pretty much in full-blown winter. A lot of the ponds, the water's probably below, it's probably around 50 to 52 degrees. Could be even lower. So I haven't taken a thermometer out there for a while. But we are in the mid to low 30s. And today, we're actually at 42 degrees, which is pretty warm for the last couple of days that we've had. But we're in full-blown winter mode. So the fishing is getting pretty tough. The water temps are getting super low. But, you know, we're just gonna keep grinding. Just keep looking for those winter bass. So moving forward in this mystery tackle box, this is the Perfection Lures Shore Hookup Shaky Head. It is a stand-up shaky head, which is, I think, probably one of the best ways to run a shaky head. Just to make sure that your worm or your Senko or whatever kind of trick worm that you're throwing on that shaky head is standing straight up in the water, just to get the better action and to attract more fish, because it's going to look way better in the water when it's standing up. Which I think in this mystery tackle box with the stand-up shaky head, if I remember correctly, and I'm going to go through this mystery tackle box to figure it out, I'm pretty sure they hook you up with some sort of trick worm to throw with the stand-up shaky head. I'm going to find it right now, actually, so I'm really curious. Alright, so I was correct. So they actually gave you the Carl's Amazing Baits. This is the flicker worm. It looks like a green pumpkin. No, it's not a green pumpkin. What color is this? So it's not, it doesn't give me any color. But it looks like it's almost like a green pumpkin, but it's clear on the bottom. Like the bottom half of the worm is clear. I'm super excited to throw this flicker worm by Ketchco with the stand-up shaky head. I think it's gonna look incredible together and give that nice, good presentation underwater, so that way we can catch some more bass. But moving forward with the mystery tackle box, you also get, a live target crankbait, which is awesome. This is the Live Target Crawfish Crankbait, and it looks amazing. Now this is a Tennessee craw. It is a 4 to 6 foot diving crankbait, and it weighs, it's a 3/8 ounce crankbait. So this is a Cabela's exclusive crankbait, which is crazy because it's coming in your mystery tackle box for the month of November, and you can only get this at Cabela's and Bass Pro Shop. You can't get this anywhere else, and my nearest Bass Pro Shop is literally 50 minutes away from me. So the fact that I get this in my mystery tackle box is a huge help, and like I said earlier, it's just another way that Shop Carl's really knows how to take care of their customers and just help them out in the best way possible. So moving forward with that, we have 2 more items in this mystery tackle box. The first one we're gonna go over. So the what's inside card says that this item right here is the Strike King Rage Tail Twin Tail Menace Grub. But guys, you're gonna tell me this isn't a craw? This is a crawfish, but they're calling it the Twin Tail Menace Grub, but it's definitely a crawfish. I don't know why they're calling this a menace grub, but it's a crawfish. I think the best 3 options for this Rage Tail are going to be weighted Texas rigs, weightless Texas ribs, and also a jig trailer. I think that this would look pretty nice in the water. just hopping along the bottom of the water. You could also put this on a shaky head, to be honest. I probably will throw this on a shaky head as well. I'm really glad that I got this one in my mystery tackle box for the month of November. Anyone that knows me knows that I love throwing soft plastics. It's probably my favorite thing to throw, which is why I have such a hard time fishing in the fall and winter time, because flipping is my favorite thing to do. It's literally like, if I could choose 2 techniques for fishing, it would be throwing soft plastics, 100% would be my first one to throw, and also probably spinner baits. I love throwing spinner baits. They're probably one of my favorite things for all year round fishing. You will always find a spinner bait tied on one of my rods. But let's go on, let's talk about this last item, which is the Big Bite Swimming Crawl. So this one, the color of this crawfish, this swimming crawl by Big Bites, it's called the Politician, which I think is pretty funny. But you do get 6 crawfish in this pack of Big Bites, which is a decent amount. Now, wow, these are actually very, very thick. I was just playing with one of the crawfish inside the packaging, and it felt very, very tough and very thick, which is why it's a swimming crawl. Now I would throw this on a Texas rig with, I would probably use a belly weighted hook, a heavy duty swim bait hook, just because this is a swimming crawl, so you're not gonna be hopping this off the bottom of the water. Now with the Rage Tail, if I'm flipping with these, depending on the coverage, I would either be using a 3/8 ounce tungsten weight or a 1/2 ounce tungsten weight. Now also with these on a jig trailer, and these are like a coffee green and purple flake, I would probably be using a PB&J jig from shopcarls.com, and I would go from either 3/16 to 3/8 ounce. Those are like my 2 main weights that I use for jigs. But honestly, this box is pretty decent. I can't complain about this box. I think every item in this box is something that I would definitely throw and use, especially this time of year, especially the stand-up shaky heads, and I'm really excited to throw the square bill and the crankbait. These 2 will definitely be tied on the next time I go out, just because I think these 2 would do wonders in the water. And also the flicker worm by Catch Co, along with that stand-up shaky head, again, I think would do a killing in the water. It's tough to say right now because, like I said, the ponds around here, which is mainly what I mainly do pond fishing. The water is super cold, so those bass are in full-time winter mode. They're very lethargic. They're not feeding on the bait fish like they were a couple weeks ago, and like they still are in the main bodies of water. So it's tough to say. It's tough to say how these baits would do in ponds versus how they would do in lakes, just because I don't have a boat, so I can't go fish those big lakes to figure out how these baits would do. But I am excited to use these baits. I think they will do very well in the water. It just depends on how on the water temperature, really, pretty much. Because like I said, the weather here has been very, very finicky. We did have a massive cold front come in a couple days ago. So these bass really don't know how to act. And we also are in a full moon right now. So that also is affecting the fish. But the last 2 things, which are probably what I'm most excited about, that I finally bought. I was waiting for them to come in a mystery tackle box, but they never came, and I'm still waiting for them. But I decided to bite the bullet and buy them off of shopcarls.com, and they came with the mystery tackle box that I received a couple days ago. So with that said, let's jump into those 2. And now I've heard nothing but amazing things for one of these items, and I'm pretty sure I said it before, and you guys already know what it is. It is the Mike Bucca Baby Bull Shad. I have heard nothing but good things about this, and I am so excited that I finally got my hands on it. Now, this is a $15 swim bait, and I don't like spending that much on swim baits, but because I've heard nothing but good things about this swim bait, and I've seen it in the water, and I've seen the results that it can produce, I said, screw it, I'm biting the bullet, and I'm buying this. Now, with that said, I'm also very, very nervous to throw this swim bait because it is a $15 swim bait, and I only bought one of them. I couldn't bring myself to buy more than one of them because if I would have bought 3 of them, it would have been $45 right there. I couldn't do that. I couldn't bring myself to do that. Maybe later in this channel's life or in my fishing career, maybe I will be able to spend $45 on 3 lures that I know catch fish. But that time's not right now. So I got one. It is a 3 3/4 inch swim bait. It's a baby shad. It's a bull shad. It produces. I've seen it. It looks amazing in the water, and like I said, it just produces catches. And I'm super excited to throw this, but like I said, I'm also super scared to throw this because I don't want to lose this bait. But next time I go out, this, along with the square bill and the crankbait, are definitely being tied onto my rods. Now, moving on to the second item that I got, it's the Terminator Super Stainless Spinnerbait. It's a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait. Now I think this is also going to do wonders next time I go out fishing. Now the reason why I went 1/2 ounce is because now that we're moving into wintertime, those bass tend to be a little deeper. So I went to 1/2 ounce. I wanted to be able to get down deeper into the water, not worry about not reaching those lower tier bass in the water column. So I went with the 1/2 ounce. It's also a bluegill pattern. They were out of the shad pattern on Shop Carl's when I was purchasing this spinnerbait. So I went with the bluegill pattern, which you can never really go wrong with. But I definitely will be throwing this out next time I go out. I don't know if it's gonna be the one thing that I throw the majority of the time, which is probably gonna be the bull shad or the square bill, or the crankbait that I just got. But I do think that this Terminator will do wonders in the water as well. I'm also really looking forward to using the Guggen Squad spinnerbait that I haven't purchased yet because it just came out I think last week or 2 weeks ago, and I didn't get my hands on one, and I wish I did. Wow, I did not know that this GoPro was in the shop the entire time. I have it on 2 books so I could get the good angle, but I had no idea this was in the shop the entire time. But I'm done with this GoPro for right now. Alright guys, with that said, thank you so much for watching. This is going to be the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. The last mystery tackle box video that I did amazing. Thank you guys so much. So leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I want to know what you guys want to see, what I can do to make these videos better and to make you guys happy. Also, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and hit that red box below this video and subscribe to the AC Bass Fishing fam. I will also leave Shop Carl's link at the top of the description if you guys want to get your hands on a mystery tackle box. You guys will save a bunch of money. You guys won't regret it. I've said that before, but I just love mystery tackle box so much. They really help me out doing what we do here. So like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.